Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Do you remember this? Well, this is nothing like this. This is the Worx battery powered water pressure washer. We can all be seduced by the idea of battery power. Battery power has come a long way. This is Worx. It's got its battery, can be used on other tools, and it's about the same money as this. This is the Karcher. This is 110 bar, and it cleans things. It possibly cleans things because it's got a power cord and it's constantly connected to water. The Worx device, however, and there it is in its box, is designed to either use a 2 litre jar, it's an optional extra, but it'll use it in nanoseconds, or you have a hose that draws on buckets of water, and hence the portability. Is it any good? No. The problem is that the moment you start using it, it eats water and it eats battery life. When you want to recharge the battery, it takes forever. As a useful tool, we can't see its purpose. On the box, it shows you cleaning something like a muddy bike, and that's about it. If you haven't got something small, you will exhaust either the water or the battery in no time flat. So, generally, we don't think too much of the Worx pressure washer. Just show it in the box though. There's the boy. Battery fits on the bottom. Hoses in the back, and you've got various adapters and so on. But impressive presentation. But as a tool, Budget with Brian does not recommend. It's a thumbs down. Don't forget to look to us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. This one, see the link below to Amazon. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. And don't forget, subscribe, and if you've got any comments, always welcome to hear them.